Why hello there humans, welcome back to my channel. This is Nailah and let me stop playing. I'm going to show you guys how to get these passion twists, okay? We are going to transform because it's time for me to get my hair done, obviously. But did you catch my name? It's Nailah. Hey guys, I know, I'm back. It's been a while. Anyways, I've had these old twists, 2-strand twists in my hair for about a month and a week exactly. It's looking pretty bad. Gotta get my life together. I've been working from home, so I pretty much just neglected this part of life, but we're gonna get that fixed. Now I'm just showing you guys the brand that I used. I used the Ghana Twist. This came with 3 bundles in a pack for about $10.99 at my local beauty supply store. And as always, whenever I'm doing braids with braiding hair, I do a apple cider vinegar rinse with, well, this is not apple cider vinegar. Oh my gosh, guys, what am I saying? Anyways, you can use apple cider vinegar or regular distilled vinegar. Just do half water, half vinegar of your choice. Soak the hair for about 10 minutes, let it dry overnight. Then for my rubber bands, to minimize breakage, I soak my rubber bands in oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I soak mine for about 20 minutes. And if you do have the meal oil, I did add castor oil. That's why it looks a little brown. Then for the rubber band, I wrap it about 4 to 6 times, not too tight, not too loose, enough to give my parts a cleaner, sleeker look. Now you do have the option to skip the rubber band method or the other method that I'll be showing you later in this video. But because the passion twist hair is a lot silkier, I felt like this was a better option. But if you're using like Cuban hair or Jamaican twist hair, you could actually do this style without the rubber bands. But this is the result. I finished this method in a couple hours actually because my hair kept tangling at the bottom, guys. Like, the longer your hair gets, the more complicated it is to style, which is why I'm doing more protective styles. But here I have my previous twists broken down into 2 to even 4 sections, and I just put the rubber bands at the roots. And then I opted to use the Shine and Jam in the yellow bottle. Funny thing, during this process, I had 1 section left and I ran out. So I had to go to the store again, which is what I'm showing you right now. But if you cannot locate the yellow bottle, you could also use the red bottle, Shine and Jam. They work just as well. Right now, I'm just taking out the twists. They already come pre-twisted, so you could do a crochet style. So what I'm gonna do is unravel the twists, add my gel to each section of my hair, and do a little bit of finger detangling. Here I am showing you the struggles I went through because my hair just kept tangling, guys. But just a soft finger detangle with the gel on my hair or each section. And then I just started a regular braid. Now I started out by having the 2 pieces of the passion twists on both sides while my natural hair was in the middle. That's how I started my braid. I braided about 1 inch down, and then I continued to do a regular twist. Here you'll see I just split the hair from 3 to 2 and started a regular twist, and that is the method. And absolutely no worries, I will be showing you the 2 new methods coming up very soon. I do want to let you know I did the 18-inch. I'm not sure if you caught that in the beginning of the video, but this pack was about 18 inches long. So it is a very long way down until I finish this twist. However, you do not have to hot water the ends. I did ask around for anyone else who had this style. But once you are done with the twist, they just curl up in this really pretty pattern that gives you that springy passion twist look. And that is basically it. After this, it's not much maintenance. I just take off my scarf and go about the day. And now I'm showing you option 1 that you could use to install your passion twists. With option 1, we'll start out with the rubber band at the base. This is the method that I am using for this entire style. Once the gel is applied, I'll just start out with a basic twist. Well, I'm sorry, not basic twist, a basic braiding pattern. If you could braid, believe me, you could do this. Just braid and twist. Braid for an inch, twist the rest. Braid for an inch, twist the rest. This is my first option. As for the full length of the twist, in order to make sure my hair and the passion twists blend seamlessly, whenever I do feel any dry spots, this is just a tip. If I have any dry spots, I will add extra gel to that section and keep twisting. Moving into option 2. This is for the people who cannot braid or you simply don't like the first method. For option 2, we will use the crochet tool. This does not require any braiding whatsoever, just the crochet tool and twist as normal. What I'm doing right now is inserting the hook open. Then I'm just going to apply the passion twist hair inside the hook, close the latch, and pull it right through. You're going to, well, for better explanation, you're pulling the passion twist hair underneath the rubber band close to the root. Now, once that is complete, you will pull one side of the passion twist all the way through. Once you have your 3 sections, you're going to divide it into 2. And again, there's no braiding. So you just start a regular twist, apply your gel, twist, and you are done. Here I am giving a preview of what the twists would look like if you opted for option 2, which is using the crochet tool. Now I'm giving a preview of what my hair looked like. Guys, this was a couple hours in. I did take a break. Well, I took multiple breaks. But if you enjoyed this video, keep watching for the end results. Again, I did opt for the rubber band and braid method. So here, just doing a run through once more. My gel was already applied. I'm going to braid an inch down, twist the rest, and keep on watching for the finished product. Alrighty, and we made it to the end. Woo! Yay! Girl, get the clip out your hair so we can celebrate. Okay, now we can celebrate. We finally could flex, show out. Guys, here is the end result of the passion twists. The last option is to set your edges. I like to lay my edges with a mousse. It's a lot more gentle on the hairline, prevents breakage compared to a very hard gel. But look how pretty these twists came out. I absolutely love them. They are really light. They are not heavy at all. But if you found this video helpful, definitely subscribe, share the video with someone who you think this would help, like this video, and comment down below on what else you'd like to see, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.